quilty friends. How are you? So I'm popping in today because this will probably be my last video to you before I retire. My retirement is next week, well, a week and a half, December 31st. And I wanted to come in and personally thank all of you who have been there for me throughout my years as Canton Village Quiltworks. So for those of you who don't know, I've been in business for 24 years. I started in August of 2000, and my business kind of morphed its way through various stages. So some of you have been with me a very, very long time. And if you have been with me from the beginning, you'll remember for the first about 5 years of my business, all I did was long arm quilting for people. That's it, just long arm quilting. And then everything just started to morph. I started teaching and designing for magazines, and then Judy Niemeyer certified educator, designing then fabric for Island Batik, and so on and so forth. So some of you came in at certain times during my career, so maybe not the whole time, but for those of you who have been with me during any period of my career, I thank you so much for all your loyalty, everything that you've done for me in my career as a professional quilter. I am looking forward very much to just retiring and doing my own quilting for me on my own time, and traveling with my husband, spending a little more time with my parents. So there's a lot that goes into the retirement for me. But I do want to pay special thanks to Judy Niemeyer and all her staff, Judelle especially as well, for taking me on as a certified instructor years ago. That is, Judy and Judelle are very instrumental in propelling my teaching career. So I thank them so much for everything they did for me. Also would like to thank Island Batik for taking me on as a fabric designer, and having designed fabric for them for probably about 8 years, I'm guessing. I'm not one of those people who remembers dates, but thank you, Island Batik, for taking me under your wing, showing me the ropes, and allowing me to design gorgeous batik fabric for you. I so appreciate it. And for those of you who are wondering, I still have one more collection that is actually coming out and will be in stores in the springtime. The collection is called Cosmic. Please ask your shop for it. It's beautiful, bright, and it has some black and whites in there too. So it's very much like the quilt you see behind me, a cappella, very much my personality. So I appreciate you asking your shop for that. Also, I would like to thank Viking Husqvarna for taking me on as a brand ambassador for several years. Viking is the only sewing machine that I use and still use to this date, and will continue to use throughout quilting as my hobby. So thank you to Viking. Also, I want to thank Aurifil for being there for me as well, allowing me to design thread collections that went with my fabric throughout the years. So I appreciate that. And Aurifil, I actually had the pleasure of touring their factory back in October when my husband and I took my parents to Italy. And we were in Milan for 3 days. So we went to the Aurifil factory, and that was such a treat for me to see where the thread is made and packaged. So exciting for me. So those are some of the big players in my career as a professional quilter. Now, as I retire to be just a citizen quilter, I guess, if you will, I'm going to be enjoying some retreats with some friends coming up. I am flying out to see my friend Lisa in January, and we have a project already lined up that we're going to be sewing together. So some of these projects that I've had shoved away in the cabinet for years that I haven't been able to get to. I'm starting to pull back out, getting to them, and just having fun, just having some fun on my own time, which is kind of cool. So I'm looking forward to that. A couple things that I do need to let you be aware of within the next couple weeks as to what is going to happen. So first I want to highlight just a couple more things that are in my shop, but that I need to still get rid of. And I suggest you do it sooner than later if you're thinking about getting something, because once the website goes dark, I won't be able to ship. So the last shipping date will probably be December 27th, I'm guessing. That'll be the last time I ship anything. The website will go dark midnight, December 31st, but you won't be able to order anything after that. I won't have anything for you to order. So if you want to order, you can order up until the 27th. I will ship on the 27th. But I have a few more things left. So I just wanted to tell you, I did slash some more prices for you. So I have my Proud Mary quilt kit with my Blinded by Science fabric. Is still up on the site, and I have 6 left. So what I did is I slashed the prices on this. It comes with the pattern inside. It also comes with your templates. So that comes with the templates. I slashed the price to $40 for the kit. So that's all the fabric, the templates, and the pattern. So go ahead and grab those. I only have 6 left. I would love to just clear them out. The quilt behind me is my newest pattern release. It's called Acapella. It's a very fun pattern to do, and you can do it in 2 ways. You can either paper piece it, or you can use Deb Tucker's Studio 180 design rulers. And this is the pattern. It's got double the instructions in it. So it's lengthy. You can go through and you can piece it, like I said, one of 2 different ways. And it is only available as a PDF download. So once my website goes dark, you won't be able to get it anymore. So what I did was I slashed the price on this. This was a $26 pattern because there was so much work that went into it. I slashed the price for you. It is now $16. You can download this right up until the time that the website goes dark. So because it's a download, so it's instantaneous, I don't have to ship it for you. So you can go ahead and you can order that at $16. And another pattern that I also discounted is my twirling pattern, which is also available only as a download. So you can order this right up through the time where the website goes dark. And I slashed the price on this as well. So this one is half off. It's $6 at the moment. So you can go ahead and order that. Also, a couple other reminders that are really important. A lot of people have been asking me, even though the website's no longer going to be available, will my YouTube channel be available with all my tutorials and everything there? Yes, you can still access all my tutorials, all my quilt alongs, everything that I have. The YouTube channel will be there forever. So you can definitely access that for free because YouTube is free. So please go ahead and check out all the tutorials I have. I have a lot. So the YouTube channel, I will post the link here for you, but it is my Canton Village Quilt Works YouTube channel. And you will also still be able to see me on Facebook, on my Canton Village Quilt Work Facebook page. So if you don't follow me there, please do. I will still be posting things that I'm quilting and making. So that'll be fun, and would love to interact with you just on a personal note. And you'll also still be able to access me on Instagram. My Instagram account is quilter623. So I'll be posting there as well, any quilting and personal things that I might be doing. So those will still be available. So YouTube, Instagram, and my business page on Facebook will still be available for you to access. So I hope you can join me on one of those platforms. That would be great. I don't have any current plans to post any more tutorials on YouTube at the moment. But again, never say never. I may, if I come across something that I think is fun and that you might enjoy doing, I may post it there. So subscribe to my channel and you'll get notified if I post something new. Other than that, for those of you who don't know, it's almost apropos that I'm retiring now. As you know, as many of you know, my quilt inspector number 1, he passed just before Thanksgiving. And I miss him very much. Anyway, he's always here and here. And quilt inspector number 2, he has taken over for sure. He is helping me out. He's giving me lots of snuggles and he's getting all the love. But it's almost as if quilt inspector 1 was saying, it's time. I didn't think I was going to get emotional, but anyway, thank you all for a wonderful 24 years. I can't believe it. 24 years. I've done a lot. I think I've accomplished a lot in 24 years, and I've made a lot of friends, a lot of quilting friends, and I appreciate every single one of you. So thank you for sticking with me. I really appreciate it. I can't tell you how much. I'm really grateful that you've been there for me through the years, and I know that I will run across you all at some point again in the future. So, and I can't forget to tell you one more important thing. If you haven't downloaded your online classes that you have purchased from me, please do so. I've been sending out emails very regularly about how to download those classes. So please, please download them. You won't be able to access it any longer after December 26th. I'll put a link in the captions to where you need to go to log in to download. So please definitely do that before December 26th. Anyway, thank you again so much. I love you all, and I know that I will see you all doing something creative at some point. Keep that chin up, keep creating, make wonderful things, and share your talent with everyone. Take care, and happy quilting, everybody.